So people come to the PBT Institute site to either take the post-betrayal syndrome quiz to see to what extent they're struggling, or the healed or hardened quiz to see what stage out of the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough they're in. And then I follow up with emails to give them tips, solutions, strategies to help them move through the stages. So this morning I get an email from somebody who said, F off. And he was just so annoyed that I was sharing these tools and strategies and suggesting one of our programs to him. And, he was just explaining how it's just another example of someone trying to take advantage of him. Now, here's what I want to share. That is a classic sign of an unhealed betrayal. You can look at every single person, every single situation as someone trying to do you wrong, to take from you, to betray you, to steal from you, lie, cheat, all these things. And that will be your experience unless and until you deliberately and intentionally heal that. So you may have experience where you had a betrayal decades ago, and all of your relationships going forward are kind of a, similar experience. The face has changed, but it's the same thing. Know that, no, it's not your fault, but it is your opportunity. There's a profound lesson needing to be learned. You are lovable, worthy, and deserving. You need better boundaries in place, whatever that is. Until and unless you get that, you're going to have opportunities in the form of people to teach you. So if you want to, look at life as everybody is here to do you wrong and they're all out to hurt you, that absolutely will be your experience. If you want to see that people are good, are here to help, aren't all that bad, that is up to you to heal. So 2 completely different paths. It is totally and completely up to you. But when we do not deliberately and intentionally heal, our situations, our experiences, our relationships all confirm that belief that everybody is bad, wrong, out to hurt them, and all that. So you don't have to live that way. It is a really painful way to live. You can heal from all of it. Remember, I did the study. I have the proof. There is a proven, predictable way to move through the 5 stages. Follow for more.